Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the decision clearly and fast. Name the outcome and the deadline so people focus. Once done, assign an owner, a facilitator, and a note-taker to prevent diffusion of responsibility. Make sure to collect 3-5 critical facts or metrics that will influence choices and flag known risks up front. This primes the team for efficient discussion and gives you the first actionable steps to move from ambiguity to a focused decision process. You now guide the team through a structured discussion. Start with context, then surface options, and finally evaluate. Time box each phase to keep momentum. Once options exist, prompt the group to name 4 to 6 alternatives and list pros and cons for each so trade-offs are visible. Make sure you apply clear evaluation criteria like impact, effort, and risk, and score options from 1 to 5. This turns opinions into comparable data and helps the team converge on a preferred path. You reach a decision by choosing the decision rule that fits: consensus when alignment matters, majority for speed, or leader decision with explicit buy-in to move quickly. Once chosen, translate it into an action plan with tasks, owners, deadlines, and success measures so execution is immediate. Finally, schedule verification checkpoints to monitor progress and adjust if metrics or risks shift. If things go wrong, rerun the evaluation step quickly and rescore options to pivot with minimal delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.